So why Sundial going up while all the market is red right now? We're gonna discuss this right now, where the price will go for Sundial. I'm gonna see the $2, the $3 for this year because we have a major news and this will affect the price. So let's get right to it and see what's going on. As you can see in the chart, the price is bumping, and you see the list here. All red, Nvidia, MMET, AMC, you name it, all of them are red. However, Sundial is in green and bumping up. Right now it's 0.63. Are we gonna see the $1 right now in this month? We're gonna discuss this. Before we're gonna see the news here, we have some kind of Sundial investor view that's pending acquisition. So we have acquisition with Alcana, and we're gonna discuss even Alcana for price action because the price for Alcana is doing great. It's a Canadian liquor store chain that is also majority holders and major Canadian cannabis retailer. So as it charts, this jumpstart recovery. So if they emerge, we're gonna see a massive recovery for Sundial, and the price will go above the $1 just from this news. And if we just check, Alcana is Canadian, so we're gonna go here for this one and check the prices for this one. Yeah, as you can see here, is the price is $6, so the acquisition is will be good actually for Sundial. And if we see the big picture is holding really good for this price action. And you can see the recovery from the 2020, and they're actually doing good, and we have really good support around the $6.49, and we might see even the $10 after the acquisition with Sundial. And again, let me check the short position for Sundial. As you can see here, short interest change is negative 1.57%. You ask yourself, what's that mean? This mean there is short seller that just they close their put options on Sundial because they see that the price is going up from the technical, from the fundamental point of view, and they don't want to hold their position, the put option position, because they know they will lose money. So we have negative short interest. That means there is a lot of short sellers just leaving Sundial because they know is right now is what's called like big buying pressure happening for Sundial. Okay, and again, right now we are around the 7,400. So we want to get to the 10,000 with Sundial. Will get to $1. So we're gonna do this challenge. We might go together. Sundial will go to $1, and we actually go to the 10,000 subscribers. So subscribe and hit the like button. So let's go back to the technical and see Sundial and where the price will have the reversal. Just from the technical point of view, if you see with me the level that we broke from here around December, we got rejected around this ascending line. The moment that we broke this level, we saw this bearish. Right now we hold the 0.61, really important. And what's that mean? The price will go over here, the 0.71, and this will be the spike for Sundial. Just mark this price because this price will be the squeeze for Sundial. Okay, so let me just close up the 0.7167. The moment that we broke from it, we have entered a bearish behavior, okay, for Sundial. You see this big jump down that we went tested the 0.93, and I warned you before. Hopefully you saw the video, our hunters, and even on Patreon, Discord, we talked about the 0.93, and we said we need a closing candle here. That happened around the 15th of November. However, we didn't have that. Right now, is it closing around the 0.71, retesting the 0.93, because the $1 will be is the squeeze for Sundial to least we're gonna go until the $1.49. So for the news, we're gonna see the price spike until the 0.93, not the $1. Okay, just be careful from this behavior and massive test for Sundial before the $1. As I said, if you want a pre-market update or like check for another stocks for alerts, you can see here on Patreon we do always alert. We have today hunted for RELI. Is pumping like crazy, hit our target level around the 10, and we talked about another, again, a lot of stocks today. So join us on Patreon as well, on even Discord. You can see the price trigger for a lot of stocks. So join us and let's get ready to hunt. If you have any question, comment section below. I will be ready to answer your question. So let's get right to it, and let's hope to see Sundial to hit the $1 but this month. So see you in the next update.